This is Kelly Harmon. I am the assistant principal in Monmouth County, New Jersey, and I just want to say how much I appreciated Dr. Clark's Parents, Where Are You? Not only is this a book for parents, but it's also one that administrators can really relate to, because Dr. Clark was brazen enough to actually publish what so many of us are talking about in our schools behind closed doors. We're talking about how we need support from you, parents. We need you to build children who have grit, who are resilient, and who are ready to learn. We need parents to support us in showing their children how to respect boundaries, respect authority, and really appreciate the love of learning. So thank you, Dr. Clark. I love your book, and I'm looking forward to maybe writing a sequel or helping you write one. Take care. Bye-bye.